Hi, and welcome to this episode on the goods receipt for stock. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session, we'll take a look at how to increase your stock totals using the goods receipt option. So let's get you started. So there are two ways to bring stock or increase your stock totals, and that's through using the goods in option within stock in the stock menu, or using the goods receipt PO option through the purchase process from your supplier. So if we take a look at simply just increasing your stock, so for example, if this is the first time you're using the system and you want to bring in opening balances for your items, we can go in here to items and go to goods adjust in. So this will enable us to increase our stock totals. So click on create new goods receipt. And very simply on screen here, you'll see the option for the posting date, document date, and then the journal remarks. So the journal remarks is something that will go through as the reference to the posting that occurs on the accounting module. So if you leave this blank, it'll show up as goods receipt. Otherwise, you can enter your own remarks now. So let's click on add a line. And the good thing here about a goods receipt is that you can add multiple lines at once. So we can search for the item or simply click on the item here on the list. So now the details will appear, and as you can see here, we can choose the warehouse to bring the stock into. On the left hand side here, it'll show us all the stock available in the current selected warehouses or in all warehouses. We can select the quantity to receive. We can select our price. We can select cost centers and projects if relevant, and we can enter a comment. To continue adding more lines, we can click here on add additional item. So let's select an additional item. And again, let's just increase our quantity and put in a price. And again, if we click on OK at this point, it'll now update the lines of the goods receipt with the two entries. We can, of course, change the cost centers. We can edit. We can delete. And if we click on the expand button here, it'll show us the row details. So very simply now, to click on save to add your goods receipt. Okay, so now the goods receipt PO is added. So very simply, we can, if we want to see that the stock has actually updated to that particular warehouse, we can then go through to our items menu, and from here we can very simply either go to the stock items lookup or go to the stock posting list. And if we search for all items, we can see here that for the face cream and for the face masks, we have the goods receipts, the quantity of 20. You can see that here and here. And that's it. And thank you for watching. So if you require any further help, check out our help articles on help.enterpryze.com, or simply reach out to our support representatives here on the support chat, where you can also send a message, or simply scroll down and access the help center further. Thank you for watching.